Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers and who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can definitely check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a development training UI UX design course in Melbourne, Australia by the Knowledge Academy, and it's a 4.5 rating on Trustpilot, which is good in terms of overall rating. And if we go with the stats, like this is the course overview. Like module 1 is about introduction, module 2 is about research, and module 3 is persona, ideation, storyboards, wireframe, prototype is also there, usability testing is also there. They have covered all the main important aspect in terms of UI UX, but they are lacking with the AI knowledge in terms of UI UX. As in today's time, in 21st century, we need AI oriented course, especially in terms of UI UX, to get a high paying job. And this is Melbourne venue, like full ID support is there. These are the features of their institute mainly. And ways to take UI to design. Live classes also there. Online, offline, both the classes is there. And these are the course schedule. And customer reviews are also there. Clients, no portfolio development, no mentorship and feedback, no placement and career support. They are providing or they are mentioning. And no course fees is also there. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, like curriculum is there, so it's a one for me. Fundamental is also there, one for me. UI design quality is also looking average in terms of like placement of the elements they have used. So it's not too good or too bad. So it's a 0.5 for me. Hand-on project is not there, so it's 0 for me. Tools and software training not there, 0 for me. Mentorship is 0. Portfolio is 0. Placement and career support is 0. Course values versus fees is 0.5 for me because it's not a future-oriented course. Industry relevance update is also 0 for me at because this course need an improvement. This is not a proper UI UX course on a beginner level also. So it's a non-commendable course and it's a 3 out of 10. Again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of uh, UI design quality, fundamentals, tools and software training, course values, fees. You can go with that. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there, which covers all the parameters in this list and have a 10 out of 10 score, and also help you getting a high paying job in UI UX field. I will add the links in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.